떨어지는 소리 전해지는 전생고 대체 뭐야 너는 비법이 아침에 일어나서 부은 눈이 너무
Sawadika! Sawadika! Lakad tayo, lakad tayo. Bakit? Sawadika! Welcome to Thailand! We have special guests here! Special guests!
Kamo. We're not in the Platinum Mall. We're the other side. That's
Ano to?
Hindi.
Hindi, ano to? Wait.
Sa tapat ng basta sa tapat ng Platinum Mall, guys. Doon lang kami.
We are at Grand Plaza Mall right now. Tapos naghahanap kaming damit. I'm overwhelmed.
Kung may gusto kang puntahan, samahan kita.
Hello guys! Nasa Pattaya kami.
Wala pa tayo sa Pattaya.
Wala pa ba?
Ay, Pattaya.
Pattaya na to. We're here sa may mga Buddha. Oh.
Makapunta ka na ba dun sa ano? Nakahiga?
Parang nag-temple rin kami last. So guys, sabi nila kailangan mo daw mag-offer ng pera. Tapos, in exchange, may bibigay siya sa'yo.
Ano?
Yung hihingin mo. Diba?
How much? This one needs to offer? 20 baht. 20 baht.
Nandito kami sa temple. I also brought this. I brought my pendulum. May pendulum ako. Hi! Okay guys, update. We are now in our second hotel, Space Hotel. Kasama ko si Tita. Ang ganda! Wow! We ordered some pastries. As in, isang tower. Papakita ko sa inyo. Tapos, tea. Favorite kasi ito ni Tita eh.
Nagbablog siya. Tama?
This is what we ordered. Look at that. Yan na, happy na si Tita. We are here sa market near Terminal 21. Where are we? Answer.
Nasa. Ito mo yung beach.
Woo, San Francisco. And in the back, we have Japan.
Egypt.
Ito, Egypt. Ito. Wow. May auntie also. Guys, today we are at Terminal 21 kasi umulan. I'm drinking lemonade kasi like anything vitamin C kasi meron ako and magsiswimming. So, I'm trying everything na I know to stop it. So, nilalaklak ko yung mga juice.
Gusto namin yung fast break.
Woo!
Hey guys, we're in Thailand right now. We're in Pattaya Beach.
Beach pa rin to.
I mean, Pattaya
Space. Space.
Pool. Yeah, our hotel here is...
Show the space.
something.
Woo!
Look at that. Moby the Pig. Nagamura na edit.
May falls yan eh. Guys, may nahanap kaming jacuzzi, tsaka sauna. This is the sauna. Wow! Tapos yan labas niya. Tapos ito, Steam. Hindi ko alam.
Hindi naman sa isa.
Tapos ito, pag...
Para mag-steam na.
Ah,
Parang gamot.
okay. Eh! Okay, never mind. Ah, okay, okay. Guys, may nakikita ba kayo? Parang kami sinusuog. Hello guys! Dito kami sa... Anong mall to? Central? Central something. Kasama ko si Rain and si Andrea. Anong titignan mo, Rain? Say hi. This is brother. What's your name, brother?
Mark.
Mark?
M-A-R-K.
Mark pala to. You're Pinoy. You're Philippines. You're Mark eh.
Mark.
Mark de Los Santos.
Me only 26.
Shout out to Mark if you need help here in Thailand. Mark. Okay, we order. Choose. Bakit? Why? Dance. Whip. Hey. Hello, friends. Hello.
This is my cousin. Very long lost cousin.
Name. Age. Ethnicity.
Andrea. Only see her maybe 5 times a year. Very rare. Like a Pokemon.
Yan na guys, we're taking photos. Oh my god.
Good no.
It's okay. Could be better. Crazy. Ooh. A boat. And souvenir shops. Wow. It's so pretty here. Medyo strict lang daw sila. It's like bawal magpalit ng mga damit. Ganon. To take photos. Dami daw kasing influencers that go here. What did you order? We ate here at Peter Wok Wok. Tapos, ayan. Pork in order niya para sa akin. Tapos, pagkain nila tita. Sila Ate Nikki. Oh, Miggy! May bunny, oh! Bunny! Ayan, oh! Hi guys, it is now 8 p.m. Andito kami sa... Di ko alam, pero parang grocery nila to. So, ito yung place. Show you the place. This is the place, guys. Hindi to sa akin, kay Jana to. Tom lang. Rice topping, seaweed. Yun lang.
Meron pa. Ayun o.
Oo nga, pero di kasi yan sa akin. Guys, may nakita akong hikaw. Sobrang ganda niya. It's like, may ribbon tapos may pearl. 790 baht. How much yun? Less than 2K? Mga ganun. Gusto ko siya kasi sa IG binibenta siya mga 3K. Tapos dito, less than 2K. Tapos ayaw kong bilhin kasi, covered na ako. Ayaw ko bilhin kasi di siya hypoallergenic. Eh, masyadong, ano po naman ako, like, allergic. Sobrang arte. So, ayun. Hindi ko na siya binili. Tapos bawal siya picturean. So, hindi ko siya mapakita. Tapos wala pa kaming kain. Galing kaming Icon Siam. Tapos, nag-ikot-ikot lang kami. We bought clothes pasabay. We also got BS. Ayun lang.
Tanggal ako siyang tenga.
Wow!
Ang sarap.
Sino yan?
What's sa ano? Twin Tops?